Okay, children, ready? Let's discuss first question. Find the common solution of, children, find the common solution of ax plus by is equal to c and y-axis. Find the common solution. On y-axis, x coordinate is
Zero.
0. Okay, on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So, by is equal to c, y is equal to c by b. C by b is a common solution for c and b. For this and this common solution. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay, so the second question. Children, they are saying P is there, children, which is nothing but a by 3 comma 4. It is the midpoint of line joining minus 6 comma 5 minus 2 comma 3. Okay, what is the value of a? We use the midpoint formula, children. A by 3 is
x1
equal
plus
to
x2 by
minus 6
Plus
minus 2
plus
by 2.
by
by
2.
2
X1 plus X2 by 2, that is. Okay,
minus 6 by
so a by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 2, children. This will go
so
here.
okay.
Minus 24 by 2, that is a is equal to minus 12. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, third one. In the given, children, in the given AP, comma, 13, comma, 3. Find the missing terms. In the given AP, find the missing
A
terms.
plus D is
It's
equal to
8.
13,
Children, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is
A3,
A4.
A4.
3 is
A
equal
plus
to A4. A4 means what, children? A
A
plus
plus
3D.
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 13 is equal to
A
A
plus
A
plus
plus D.
change the
1D.
signs.
Minus
A
minus minus
cancel.
cancel. Minus 10 is equal to
10 is
2D.
equal to
D is
2D.
equal to
D is
minus
equal
5.
to minus 5. Common difference is 5.
Common difference is minus 5.
Substitute it in one equation.
Okay.
A.
A3. If you get A3, if you want A3, A3 means A plus 2D. Oh, sorry, sir. Substitute this
A
D is equal to any one of the equation. You get A
3
also, children.
equal
3
to
is equal
minus
to
5
A
plus
plus 3 into minus 5.
A
3
plus
into
3
minus
into
5.
minus
3 is
5
equal
A
to
is equal
equal
to 15 plus
to
A
A
is
is
equal to
equal
18.
to
A is
8.
equal to 8.
18. 18 minus 5, 13. 13 minus 5,
8, sir.
8.
8. 13 minus 5 is 8, children. Next question. Fourth question. So, fourth question, children, find the value of, children, they have given an AP. They have given an AP. See here. They have given an AP. The AP is looking like this, children. 4, 9, 14 up to 4, 9, 14 up to 254, children. So, question is find the value of A8 minus A4. What is A8, children?
A plus 7D minus A minus
A plus
3D.
3.
A
Okay,
plus
children,
3.
open the brackets, children.
A plus 7D
7
minus
minus
A
A
minus
minus
3D.
3D.
A
A
cancel.
cancel
4D.
7D 4 into 5
D is equal to 5.
minus
20.
Children, 9 minus 4 is D, 5. 5 4 is 20 is the answer, children. Okay, next. Children, find the value of sine theta under root of 1 minus sine square theta. 1 root of 1 minus sine square theta?
cos square
Cos
theta.
Square
theta.
1
theta.
minus sine square is cos square. 1 minus sine square is cos square. Square and root gets cancelled.
Sin
Sine
Sin
theta
by
by
square by
cos
cos,
cos
theta,
square
that is
that is
tan
equal to
theta.
tan theta.
that is equal to tan theta. Next question. They say children here. Find the value of k if they have unique solution. 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Kx minus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. Unique solution. Unique solution means
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. 2 by K is not equal to 3 by minus 6. K is equal to minus 12 by 3.
k is not equal to minus 4.
Minus 4.
2 to the 4. Okay, 2 to the 4. Children, k is not equal to minus 4. K is not equal to minus 4. Next one. Children, secant theta is 25 by 7. Find tan theta. This is the question. Secant theta is 25 by
Secant
7.
square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta.
Secant square is 1 plus tan square theta.
25 by 7 whole square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta.
Okay.
So 625 by 49 minus 1 is equal to tan square theta.
What happened? Tan square is equal to 576 by 49.
Tan
Tan
square is
square is
equal to 24 by 7 whole square.
576 by 49. Tan theta is equal to 24 by 7. Tan theta is equal to 24 by 7 children.
So plus or minus will come or not?
Yeah, plus or minus you can write children. Next, 8th question. Children, cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Find sin theta minus cot theta by 2 tan theta. Children, cos theta is 3 by 5. This is 3, this is 5. Adjacent and
4,
hypotenuse.
sir.
So what is this, children? What is
4,
this?
sir.
4, sir.
On Pythagoras theorem, you get 4. You have to apply Pythagoras theorem, you get 4. So
Sin
sin theta is equal to
opposite
4
square
by 5
hypotenuse 4 by 5
minus
cot
minus
theta is
4, 3
3
by
by 4 by 2
2
into
into 4 by
4
3,
by
5 and 4 LCM, what children? 20.
20.
24,
16
12,
minus
16
15
minus
5 is
15,
15 by
by
8 by
8 by
8 by
3.
3,
1 by 20 by
20 by 8 by
8
3.
by 3.
So
so
3
3
by
by
3 by
160.
160.
3 by 160. So see here. 3 by 160. Next question. Let's see here, children. Ninth question. In the given figure, children, see this is a circle. This is a chord. This is there like this. This is there like this. This is there like this, children. This is C, B, A, O. This is 30 degrees. Children, they have given 30 degrees. Question is, what is BAT? BAT is asking what is the value of this angle, children, this angle.
Sir, can I say
Yeah,
angle A is also
angle is
90
circle
degree.
90, children. And this
Angle
one by
A
angle
and
sum property, it is
180 minus
60. Angle
60.
sum property. Angle sum
And
property.
radius is perpendicular to tangent.
90.
90,
90 minus
30.
60 is 30. Or we can use alternate segment theorem also. If this is 30, this is also 30. Alternate segment theorem also point time I told you, children. Next question, children. This is a circle and tangents meeting at a point are equal. Tangents meeting at a point are equal. This is a chord A and B, and this is 60 degrees, children. This is 60 degrees. Question is, find the length of chord AB. AB is 5. They said this is 5, children. They said this is 5. This is 5. What
Sir,
is
if
the
Sir, AB is
the
also
one
5,
is
sir.
the 5.
Sorry,
what is
B is
so
also.
this is tangents meeting at a point are equal, so this angle will be equal to this angle. If you find out by angle sum
So
property,
angle
this is
sum
60,
property,
this is
sir.
60.
2x plus, yes, sir.
Triangle
So all of them are
equal 5
Equilateral triangle.
centimeters.
all of
Right,
them
right.
are equal, means it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means this is 5,
5
this is 5,
centimeters.
this is also 5. Okay, children, next question. Next, children, see here. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 3. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 3. Children, root 2 means 1.414 something, something,
1.4.
something. Root 3 means
1.72,
1.732
so
something,
on.
something, dot, so on. Okay, so if we want some rational number. Rational number means it should be terminating, children. So between 1.4 and between 1.7, say
One
phone number,
even
anything, no
1.6.
problem.
1.62.
1.5 I can tell, 1.6 I can
1.6.
say, 1.53 I will say, 1.65, anything your wish. But it should be 1.4 and 1.7. And you should not put dots again. If you put dots, it is again irrational.
Irrational number.
Rational number means it should terminate. Like this, any number you can give. You write any numbers, children, but it should start with 6 or 5 better, children. Okay, any numbers, your wish. But don't put dots, children. Never put dots because he asked rational number. Rational number means it should be terminating. Be careful. 12th question. Find the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Roots they are asking. X if you take comma, x minus 7 is equal to 0. X 0 by x minus 7 is 0.
0.
Or x minus 7 is equal to 0 by x is 0. X is equal to 7.
X is equal to 7.
So x is equal to 0 or 7. 13th question to the next. If one of the quadratic of polynomials is 10 of the quadratic polynomials x square minus 5x minus 6, 10 is 6, find the other 0. Okay, we know alpha plus beta is equal to
minus b by a is
alpha
equal
is 6.
beta
Minus
is
b is how much, children?
minus of minus
Minus
5
5
by
by
1.
1. 6 plus
6 plus
beta is
beta
equal to
is equal
5.
to 5. Beta is equal to minus 1.
Beta is equal to
Other
minus
0 is
1.
minus 1.
So children, next one. Find the arithmetic mean of arithmetic mean 1, 2, 3 up to n. Find the arithmetic mean is same, children. Do you remember, children? I told this question. Arithmetic mean sum of all numbers by given numbers. Sum of all numbers by given numbers. So children, for sum of n terms, what is the formula, children? Sum of n terms, what is the
n
formula?
plus 1
n
by
by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
And common difference is 1 everywhere.
Yeah.
So arithmetic mean means Sn by sum of all a number. How many numbers are there? N.
n
Sn is what, children? N by 2.
n
n
by
by
2
2
into
2a
2y plus n minus
into
1.
By n. N and
by
cancel. So 1 by 2 into 2a plus
2.
n minus 1. So a is 1
Yes,
here. A is 1. A is 1.
yes.
So 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1.
1
1
plus
plus
n.
n.
So half of 1 plus n is the arithmetic mean of first n number of terms. Arithmetic mean. Okay, children, mute your audios, children. Thank you so much. Mute your audios.